Yeah, very good morning, students. Today, see, in the previous class, we have learned the Newton's forward interpolation and backward interpolation. So, based on this, so here 2, 4, 6, 8, and these are x values, and these are f of x values, which are 1.7, 3.4, 8.6, 6.9. And he will be asking that what is the interpolation at 7. So if you observe this type of questions, we can see that the gap, the length of the class intervals are same here. Here also the difference is 2, here also the difference is 2, here also the difference is 2. So the difference is constant, then I can go with either Newton's forward interpolation formula, forward interpolation method, or else backward interpolation method. So there is one situation in which we can suppose if the data is like this. If the data is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 1.5, 2.7, 3.6, 4.2, 5.5. So this is x values and this is f of x values if he is asking at 2. Find the interpolation at 2. But if you observe here, the gap is 2, here the gap is 1. So gap is discontinuous here. It's not at all continuous and it's not perfect. So in this case, we are going to use Lagrange's interpolation method or formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula or method. So let us see about this. What is this method? So Lagrange's interpolation. We are learning the topic of interpolation. So far we have covered Newton's forward and backward interpolation. Now we are going to learn about Lagrange's interpolation. So same, let y is equals to f of x be a function such that f of x takes the values y0, y1, y2, so on, yn corresponds to x0, x1, x2, so on up to xn. Then we can give the interpolation formula as like this. Lagrange's formula. So here x1 minus x0, next x1, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, so on, x1 minus xn into y1 plus so on plus so we can have x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2, so on x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0, xn minus x1, xn minus x2, so on xn minus x0 into yn minus 1. Xn minus xn minus 1, here it is yn. So this is the formula for Lagrange's interpolation formula. So we will be solving one question based on this formula. See here, question number example 5.22. X, Y, 5, 5, 6, 9, 11. So the values are 12, 13, 14 and 16. So he's asking the question to find y of 10. Y of 10. So by seeing this, here the gap, here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 2. Since the gap is not constant, we have to use Lagrange's interpolation formula. So what is x0 first? x0, 5, x1, 6, x2, 9, x3, 11. Next, y0, 12, y1, 13, y2, 14, y3, 16. Now, let us substitute in the formula. Y is equals to f of x is equals to, what is the formula here? X minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3, x minus x3. x3 is the highest, and we can stop here formula, by y0 x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 into y0 plus, let me write down, so x minus x0 into x minus x1 minus x0 into x2 minus x0 divided by x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. First it should be x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x0, next x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1 plus, third one, x minus x0 into x minus x2 x minus x1 into x minus x2. So here 1 divided by, so y1 over, now x2, x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 plus, so two terms are completed, last term. So x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3, okay, x minus x2 divided by here 2 over x3, x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x into y3. How to remember this formula? Listen carefully. See here students, in the numerator we are starting with 0th term, right? Initial term, why not? So whenever y0 is there, in denominator it will start with x0, and in the numerator it is here 1, 2, 3. Every term will be there, every term. Why? Because it is starting from 0. But means what term is missing? 0 term will miss. Whatever the number that is mentioned here, that term will miss here. See here, have you seen any term 0 here? No, there is no 0. Next here one term will be missing, means there will be no 1. x0, x1 is missing here, x0 is there, x1 is missing. Why? Because since it is the first term. So x0, x2, x3, x1 is missing here also, x1 will be missing. Where that x1 will come here? x1, x1, x1. Here x0 is missing now, that will come here. Next, in the numerator as such, so here what is the term here? Second term now, so x2 will be missing here. Here x0, x1, x2 will be missing. In the denominator, that x2 will come in the front, and remaining as it is, it will come x0, x1, x2. Here y3 now, so x3 term will be missing here. See in the numerator, x3 term is not there. So the x3 term will come here. So x0, x1, x2. So we will be substituting the values here. Now in place of x, we are going to substitute the value as 10. Why? Because y is equals to f of x is 10 now. So let us substitute the values now. So this can be written as 10 minus 6 into is equals to 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 9 into 10 minus 11 divided by, what are the values again? 5 minus 6 into 5 minus 6 into 5 minus 11 into 12 plus next numbers 10 minus 5 into 10 minus 9 into 10 minus 11 divided by 6 minus 5 into 6 minus 9 into 6 minus 9 into 13 into 13. Next 6 minus 5 into, so next value will be 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6, sorry, not 6 minus 5, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 here, 10 minus 6. 10 minus 5 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 11 divided by 9 minus 5 into 9 minus 6, 11. 9 minus 6 into 9 minus 11 into, what is the value here? 14. So the 14 value we have to substitute. The last one, so 10 minus 5, so 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 9. So 10 minus 9 divided by 11 minus 5 into 11 minus 6 into 11 minus 9 into, the value will be, for y3 it is 16. 16. Okay, here 10 minus 6 is 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by minus 1, here also minus 1. So plus 1 into minus 6. So minus 6 into 12 plus here 5 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 6 minus 5, 1 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 13 plus 10 minus 5 is 5 into 4 into minus 1 divided by 4 into 3 into minus 2 into 14 plus 5 into 4 into 1 divided by 6 into, now 6 here into 5, 9, 10, 11, 2 into 16. So if you further simplify, your minus minus gets cancelled, 6 ones, 6 twos. Here also minus into minus plus. Okay. So here the answer is 4 to the 8. 8 plus into minus, okay. That is a minus 9, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11, sorry. Here 6 minus 11. So 6 minus 11 is minus 5. So 5 gets cancelled, so answer is 13 by 3. 13 by 3. Here 4 gets cancelled, so answer is 5 by 6. minus 5 by 6, sorry, minus minus gets cancelled, plus 5 by 6 into 14 into 14. Here 5 gets cancelled, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 2 gets cancelled, and 16 by 3. 16 by 3. So 2 3s, 2 7s. 8 plus 13 by 3 plus 35 by 3 plus 16 by 3. So overall simplification answer will be 14.6663. Let us take one exercise question. Exercise 5.2. So 12th question. Using the interpolation, we need to find out this value. So x, f of x, 3, 7, 11, and 19. So 42, 43, 47, 60. See carefully here. So here the difference is 4, here the difference is 4, here difference is 8. So since the difference is not same, so we have to go with Lagrange's interpolation formula. So answer given x0, 3, x1, 7, x2, 11, x3, 19. y0, 42, y1, 43, y2, 47, y3, 60. So he's asking the value at x is equals to 15. At x is equals to 15, what will be the answer? Means y of 15 we have to find out. Now let us write the formula. Y is equals to f of x is equals to x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 into y0 plus, let me write from here. So x completed, right? y0, now it starts with x1, so we'll start with x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. Why? Because y will not be there. x1 will not be there since it is y1 term, so it will not be there. Here it will come x1 minus x0 as it is, x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Here also same. Next we will start with y2, so y2 x2 term should be missing. X minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. Now let us substitute the values. So here x value is 15 and remaining all values we know, will substitute here. Z equals to x minus x1. X minus x1 means 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 into x minus x2. X minus x2 means 15 minus 11. X minus x3. 15 minus 19. Divided by x0 minus x1. x0 minus x1, 3 minus 7. Next x naught minus x2, 3 minus 11. Next 3 minus 19 into y naught. Y naught value is 42 plus second x minus x naught. X minus x naught, 15 minus 3. Next x minus x2, that is 15 minus 11. X minus x3, 15 minus 19. So divided by 7 x1 minus x0, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 11, 7 minus 19 into y1 value is 43. Y1 value is 43. Plus third one, x1 x minus x0. X minus x0 means 15 minus 3 into x minus x1, 15 minus 7, 15 minus 19 divided by 11 minus 3 into 11 minus 7 into 11 minus 19 into y3 value is 60 plus x minus x0, that is again 15 minus 3 into x minus x1, 15 minus 7 into 15 minus 11 divided by 19 minus 3 into 19 minus 7 into 19 minus 11 into y3 values, sorry, y2 value is 47 here, 47 here, y3 value is 60, 43, 47 batch. Is equals to so next now it will become 15 minus 7 8, 15 minus 11 4, 15 minus 19 minus 4 divided by so 3 now 3 minus 7 minus 4, 3 minus 11 minus 8, 3 minus 19 minus 16 into 42 plus next x minus 15 minus 3, so 15 minus 3 is 12, 15 minus 11 4, 15 minus 19 is minus 4 by 7 minus 3 4, 7 minus 11 minus 4, 7 minus 19 minus 8 into 43. 15 minus 3 is 12, 7, 8, 15, here 4 divided by 8 into 4 into minus 7, minus 8 into 47 plus 12 into 8 into 4 divided by 14 minus 3 will be 19, 19 minus 3 is 16 into 8 into 8, 9, 8, okay, here it is 12, not 8, 12 into 60. Any cancellations here? Minus, 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 minus gets cancelled. So here also minus, minus gets cancelled, minus symbol is there. Here also minus is left. Here nothing. Okay. We can cancel here. 4, 4 gets cancelled, 8, 8 gets cancelled. So 4 ones, 4 fours, 2 twos, 2 21s. So it will be 21 by 2 plus, so plus into minus minus 4 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, 4 2s, 4 3s. 89 by 2 plus 8 gets cancelled, 4 2s, 4 3s. So this is also minus 7 3s are 21, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14 by 2 plus 8 cancel, here 4 1s, 4 2s, 4 1s, 4 15s, 15. If you do the total simplification, you will get the answer as 53. This will be the interpolation.